truck, and I don't give a damn where I am, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I don't care, 'cause I'm a truck. It's time we had a little talk with your wife. She calls you her man. I know how much you love him, but I'll steal him if I can. You know, even when he's with you, thoughts of me are in his head. Oh yeah. But then I've heard him call your name when he's in my bed. 'Cause I'm a truck, and I don't give a damn where I am. 'Cause I'm a truck, and I don't give a damn where I am. He calls me his baby, he holds me so tight. He whispers secrets to me and we travel through the night. He buys me lots of things, he loves to see me shine. I take him places that you can't, and he's all mine. Tell your wife the GPS knows where I am. Running down the road, I got to loosen up my load. 'Cause I'm a truck, and I don't give a damn where I am. I gotta go down the highways and the freeways. Gotta go pay toll to roll. Now you see me, now you don't remember. I'll be back, get you closer to your home now. I'm the king of the road. I gotta tighten my load. I gotta go down the highways from state line to state line. Coast to coast, toast to toast, with your girlfriends in the cafe. She's looking at me, but we'll be gone. Just a count, 1, 2, 3. Now you see me, now you don't. He makes me shine, 'cause he's all mine. From coast to coast, state line to state line, getting closer to your home. I'm the king of the road. I'm your truck. Yeah, I'm a truck, and I don't give a damn where I am. 'Cause I'm a truck, and I don't give a damn where I am. 'Cause I'm a truck.